Meet the river otter family from Roger Williams Park Zoo. Dad Clyde and Mom Mishi had 2 girls and 1 boy, who are 3 months old. River otters are very smart, playful, and curious animals, and as you can see, they love water. The babies, which are called pups, are already great swimmers. River otters have webbed feet to help them swim, water-repellent fur to keep them dry and warm, and nostrils and ears that close underwater. You can find river otters all over the United States and Canada, wherever there's clean water and lots of food. Their favorite food is fish, and their whiskers help them know when fish and other prey are moving in the water. Bye, Otter family. It was great visiting you.